Hi, welcome to this session. Today we will discuss about the longest, highest, deepest GK bill which are come in the public sector exam, government job and IES and IES engineering job, etc. First of all, which is the longest river in India? Ganga is the longest river in India. Its length is 2525 km. It flows through two countries, India and Bangladesh. It drains to Bay of Bengal. Second, highest dam in the world is Jiping Ai Dam, which is in China on the river of Yalong River. Then third is the largest station. Largest station is Gorakhpur, which is in Uttar Pradesh. Longest tributary river in India. Longest tributary river in India is the Yamuna River, which is a tributary river of Ganga. Densely populated state. The densely populated state is Bihar, and secondly, the second densely populated state in India is the West Bengal. Then the largest dome in India, Gul Gumbaz. Gul Gumbaz is the largest dome in the India, which is in Karnataka in Bijapur district, which is architect of Dabul in 1656. Longest river in the world. The longest river in the world is Nile River, which consists of White Nile and Blue Nile. Its length is 6,853 km. It drains in the Mediterranean Sea. Then highest mountain peak. Highest mountain peak is the Mount Everest, whose height is 8,848 meter. In Mohalangur station of the Himalaya in Nepal, which is in Nepal, it divides between the Nepal and the China. Divide the boundary between the Nepal and China, Mount Everest. Then deepest lake in the world. Deepest lake in the world is Lake Baikal. Deepest lake in the world is Lake Baikal. Its deep is 1637 meter deep. It also the world largest freshwater lake in southern Russia. It is in southern Russia. It is also the largest freshwater lake. Then highest dam in India, Terai Dam. The highest dam in India is the Terai Dam. It is in Himachal Pradesh. It is in Himachal Pradesh. Then 11th one is longest dam in the world. The longest dam in world is Three Gorges Dam in China. Three Gorges Dam in China is the longest dam in the world. Longest dam in the world. Largest mosque in the world is Masjid Al-Haram. Largest masjid in the world is Masjid Al-Haram. Masjid Al-Haram, which is in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. It is also the world's largest gathering takes place during the Hajj. Then largest mosque in India is Jama Masjid, which is in Delhi. It is the Chandni Chowk in Delhi. It is built by Shahjahan. Then longest road is Grand Trunk Road. Longest road is Grand Trunk Road. It is the oldest road in Asia It is the oldest road in Asia. Its length is 2,500 km. It connecting South Asia with Central Asia. South Asia with Central Asia. Then 15th one is longest coastal line state in India. Gujarat is the longest coastal line state in the India. Longest railway route in India. Longest railway route in India is from Dibrugarh in Assam to Kanyakumari. Dibrugarh in Assam to Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. Dibrugarh in Assam to Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. The longest, then 17, the longest road tunnel in the world is Lyrdal Tunnel. Lyrdal Tunnel is the longest tunnel in the world, that is in Norwegian. It's present in Norwegian. Then 18th, longest rail tunnel in world. The longest rail tunnel in world is Seikan Tunnel, which is in Japan. Its length is 53.9 kilometers. Longest road tunnel in India, Pirapanjal Tunnel. It is the longest road in India. It is both road and railway tunnel. It is present in Jammu and Kashmir. Longest NH in India. Longest NH in India is NH7, which goes from Varanasi to Kanyakumari. Longest NH in India is NH7, which goes from Varanasi to Kanyakumari. Longest dam in India. Longest dam in India is the Hirakud Dam, which is present in Odisha. It is a fast, after independence, it is a fast multi-purpose dam. Then 22, world highest waterfall is Angel Waterfall, which is present in Venezuela. World highest waterfall which is present in Venezuela, that is Angel Waterfall. Angel Waterfall is the world highest waterfall. 23, India highest waterfall is the Jog Waterfall. India highest waterfall is Jog Waterfall in Karnataka. India highest waterfall in Jog is the Jog Waterfall, which is in Karnataka. The largest temple in the world, largest temple in world is Angkor Temple, which is in Cambodia. Angkor Temple, which is in Cambodia. The longest river in South India is Godavari. Longest